My name is Amla. I am from grade 7J and today I am going to speak about the National Unity Day. The Rashtriya Ekta Divas, also known as the National Unity Day, was introduced by the Government of India and inaugurated by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and the intent is to pay a tribute to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. It is celebrated every year on the 31st of October. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was born on 31st October 1875 and died on 15th December 1950. He was the first Deputy Prime Minister of India. He is an Indian barrister and statesman. He was also one of the senior leaders of the Indian National Congress and the founding fathers of the Republic of India. His success in uniting 565 princely states and also other events from his childhood as well as his political life have brought him the title of the Iron Man of India, depicting his iron will. Thank you.